Hi friends, welcome back everyone to day 16 of our live trading campaign. So we are doing a 60 days campaign, and the quote for today is, it's not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. Simple things are enough to get even extraordinary results. And today's trade also, you can observe that we have just done simple things and we are almost at 20% returns for the month already. We are not yet crossed month end, but still already we have reached 20% of the returns of our capital. Okay friends, so let us look into today's live trading video. And today the stock selected was Yesbank, and it was clearly a trending stock. Everyone were able to guess it correctly and everyone were able to make money in this. There was little network issue in the morning. Zerodha had problem, but then Upstock was fine enough for at least placing the trade. So Upstock, I am continuing my trade, and the levels are 234 and 235. So let us calculate the target and stop losses, which is 0.6% of target and 0.4% of stop loss, which comes to the ratio of 1:1.5, which is good enough, not a bad amount, not a bad risk reward ratio. You can see that using this risk reward ratio itself, we have made 20% returns. Nothing much complication, nothing much extraordinary, simple trades as you have been seeing. Okay, so buy order is placed, so immediately let us place even the sell order also, because we have to keep the trap for the market. Let us not predict the movement of the market, we just have to know the trend, whether it is trending stock or whether it is a ranging stock. Okay, so similarly let us keep for the sell levels also, and the sell level is 231 and 230, and the target is 1.5 and 1. Quantity automatically will become 1000. So you can see that both orders have been placed. Okay, so both the quantities are of 1000, and the levels also you have seen. Nothing else to be done, and it was end of the day was excellent profit. We made 1500 profit. You can see the buy average price and the sell average price. So the order got sold initially at 231 and bought back at 229.50. So without wasting much time, let us update into our Excel, which we do daily. So the stock on day 16th is Yesbank with a profit of 1500. So friends, you can see that we are not doing any extraordinary things, we are just doing simple things. Hope you can see we have done almost reached 10,000 rupees, and this is nothing but 20% returns of our capital. So this is the quote which was telling in the beginning, that you don't have to do extraordinary things. You just saw me doing this trade for almost 16 days, and we have not done anything special or something very complicated, just simple breakout strategy. That's it. We're just identifying the trend, and then we are just trading the breakouts of the candles, nothing else being done, keeping it very simple. But the beauty is losses are not pinching you, it's not hurting you, because loss is only 1000 rupees, whereas profit is almost 1500. So in case if you get 50% accuracy also, you will be in profit end of the month. Reason because 1500 is your profits and 1000 is your loss. So 10,000 rupees friends, for day number 16th. I'll just show you. Yeah, it is day 16th. On 27th we are completed, and one more day to go in the month. Okay, so last but not the least, the trading platform which I've used is Upstock. In case if you want to join, use the link which I provided in the description of this video, and also use the promo code FEB300. You'll be getting 300 rupees brokerage return in your trading account. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.